Alright guys, welcome back to the second part. After just a couple more hours, I'm back at the huggy kissy scene, and we're gonna beat the game. This video should be uploaded right after the first one. Like, as soon as that one's done uploading, I'll start, like, uploading this one. The audio is glitched still. If you've watched the other video. Yeah, as you can see, they're not making noise. That was, like, extremely delayed. Wow, I put a blanket over my window, and now I'm hot. Like, real hot. Luckily, this is only the last part of the game. Where is he? In this video, I'm just gonna beat the game and then, like, call it. Oh no, this would be so much better if the audio wasn't glitched like crazy. Alright, here we go. Alright, what the heck? Get on the train! Get on the train! Ooh. Okay, he's gonna attack the windows. Ah. Ow. Yeah. I got him. And I'm gonna, like, mess with the music. It's so glitchy. Okay, use this. Ah, crap. Whoa. Okay, this is the... Yep, there it is. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm stuck. Oh wow, I really thought I was gonna die there. It's so broken. Yo, what does this do? Oh yeah! Boom! That's on fire. Open up.
Butcher, I got an idea. I'm gonna switch the track.
There it is.
Ready to jump.
Okay, pick up the speed and get ready to jump. Picked up the wrong thing yet. Good. Okay.
Yeah, hurry. Got it.
Alright, just for you guys, I'm gonna get the jump scare. Where's the stabbing one? The one where he uses his fingers to stab you. Some guy on YouTube said that they updated it and put it in the... Okay. Nope. Apparently not. Am I gonna have to redo the whole thing or just that one part? Okay, we're chilling. Go! This video is gonna be really short. Crap, hang on, I forgot this. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I hate that the audio is so broken. And it's broken still. Owie. That one hurt. Kinda works now, though. It didn't work good, but it still works. And I'm in the Poppy Joe. Music's playing in the background. You can probably not hear it. What is happening? What is happening? Why is it just a black screen? Oh my gosh, the audio is so broken. And these final parts as well. It's only these final parts. I really hope Mob releases a patch that fixes all this stuff. I left a comment on their channel telling them all the bugs that I have encountered. The ones with the grab hack at the beginning, because that's kind of annoying. The ones with the where the Huggy soft locked. The other Huggy soft lock where you know, I'm dead. Okay, cool. I died. Oh wait, I think it's supposed to happen actually. Yeah, it's supposed to happen. What's up, Giblet?
I thought you were gone.
You chill. Audio fixed. Kinda.
Poppy, I couldn't. He took her.
Kinda. It's kinda working.
Kissy is. I don't know. I don't. Look,
That's broken. The audio, or okay, the talking audio is fine. Mob, if you watch this video, take note on the audio. Take note on the glitches from my last video as well. Alright, let's do this. Where am I? Man, I want to go check that out. This thing's... There's an invisible wall. Is there a wall here? What if I... Okay, there is a wall here. Giblet, where'd you go? Oh, sorry, dude. Didn't mean to. Alright, where are we at?
It's gotta be here. Keep looking.
I'm looking, bro. Chillax.
This is it. This is gotta be where they keep the backup.
It's gotta be. Where? Oh. That's an old computer. I didn't want to see the end until now, so I didn't watch this part on press any key. I'm pressing. Yes, I'm sure. Hang on, I'm gonna look around for a second to see if I can find something. Ooh, what's this? I'm gonna read this one. LP journal entry. Where to even begin with this nightmare of a week? They were hiding down in play care, probably for several weeks, and somehow nobody noticed. If it weren't for the accident that with that Theodore child, I'm not sure we'd have discovered them at all, or Elliot's body. At any rate, Theodore's imaginary friend won't talk to anyone but the girl. The one Elias knows, called 1007, is a bit more cooperative. I feel like a moron just writing this part. She introduced herself as Poppy, not just the doll, but the girl that the dolls were made after. Poppy Ludwig. She remembered me, how we met. She had the same voice and everything. It was made only more unnerving by the fact that she seemed downright traumatized by the whole deal. It's impossible, isn't it? That girl's been gone for a long time. There's more, though. Things my investigator dug up from an office Elliot had tucked away. Most of it is trashed, but there are pieces. I still don't know what to make of all of it. All I know for sure is something big has been going on under our noses, and whatever it is, I think it might have gotten the old man killed. Also, I collected a couple things like this red smoke thing again. Alright, dude, you ready? This is the best you've looked this chapter, honestly, with the purple glow that looks like garbage on camera, but pretty good on my TV. Alright, let's do this. Hang on a second. Alright, I told her to... Oh my gosh, it's Doctor.
Well, now, this is a rather interesting turn to events.
He's back! Yeah! Ha! The Doctor's back! That was amazing. Oh my goodness, I loved that. I love Chapter 5. Chapter 5 might be one of my favorite chapters. And actually, Okay, so, I'm gonna leave a review. Well, not like an actual review, I'm just gonna like say it in my video. The quality since it's Switch was kind of garbage, but on the PC I saw Think Noodles play. On whatever Think Noodles plays on. It looks awesome. I'm just gonna say it's awesome. Graphics are awesome. Audio kind of broke. Audio team. Fix the audio. Audio team. Music team, you're fine. Voiceover, voice actors. Yeah. So the prototype is voiced by literally everything. Look at it! There's so many voice actors for the prototype. That's cool. The story is good. It wasn't as much as a horror as it was more puzzles. But I like doing puzzles, so that's fine. I'm not Markiplier, who was just like... And I'm not Queso or Markiplier that's just raging over how many puzzles there are in a horror game. Like, sometimes it can get a little bit annoying if there's, like, too many puzzles. I feel like the game had a normal amount of puzzles and stuff. It was perfectly fine for me. Like, Chapter 3 had a little more exploring and stuff. And, like, other game... And the other chapters. Like, Chapter 4. Chapter 4, wow. Chapter 4 was a glitchy mess. Chapter 5 very glitchy on console. To be fair, they just released it today. They're gonna like patch some stuff in the next couple of like days or weeks or whatever. So like I'll come back to this. I'll come back and like play it again once they patch a couple things. I mean, I'm gonna come back and play it off camera anyway because it's fun, and it also just like passes time like crazy. Like I just spent. It's like really good. I like that. It was a really good game to play. The doctor's back, so that's a W. The prototype looks awesome, as I've already said, because I've said it multiple times, but like I don't think I've said it on camera. Maybe I have. I don't know. But like the prototype, I've known what he looked like ever since I watched Thick Noodles. Stuff. Let's see if I can find him in here. Couldn't see him. It was too late. I mean, thank you for playing. Okay, yeah. It was really good. I liked it. 5 stars. 10 out of 10. And also, I don't think you saw this in the video. Like the first video from earlier. But, it has like the classic, like, thing. It looks a little different. But it's still like the classic, like, screen, and then you hit a button, and then you get to like the actual thing. You can't go back to it like chapter 1 and 2 though. That's fine. Let's see, did this fix? No, this is still broken. Chapter 5, broken things, lives up to its name. Are those minutes? Those are minutes, right? 12 seconds. 1 minute 25 seconds. I'm assuming those are minutes. I don't know. Anyway. My name is Wyatt. I am your host on the Wyatt's Crow's Nest Gaming. And I will see you guys all in the next video tomorrow. Peace out, guys.